Assalamu alaikum, welcome back and Stick 24 channel. Today going to show that how can you turn on your hibernate and sleep mode in Windows 10. So if your computer no shutdown but work is previous time, so how can do it? Let's start. Open your control panel first. When the control panel page appears in your phone display, now click on hardware and sound. Look the screen, check it out. Here we work our power options because it's the Windows options. You look the power, only three options here: sleep, shutdown and restart, but is the here in one hidden options hybrid. So now click on change what the power buttons do. Open this file. Now look here, define power buttons and turn on password protections. Now change settings that are currently unavailable because all are date options here. Now check it out. Now all options is opening. When I press the power buttons, on battery, discharge the plugin and sleep. This is the four types of options: do not nothing, sleep, hibernate, turn, shutdown, turn off the display. Now I want to be active the hibernate options because the three options is here: sleep, shutdown and restart. Now click on hibernate. Save change apply. Let's see Windows options. Now click on power. Look here the sleep and power options, hibernate, shutdown and restart. The three options are three features. Sleep mode is automatic, completely sleep, but PC is running. When your power button is pressed, then it active for your users. Hibernate is your PC RAM all are deactive, but your works is carry out is open. And shutdown means your all of computer is shutting down, and restart means your all computer is restart again for a good users. So it's the tricks for today. Let's start your smart Windows 10 user. I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you. The features of Windows 10 user, please enjoy this feature. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with NS Tech 24 channel.